Welcome to my channel, The Purple Poncho. I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful yarn snowflake. This is a quick 3-round snowflake that you can make in no time. These make wonderful additions to your packages. You can make a garland or just make a few and put them on your Christmas tree every year. They're really, really pretty. So I'm using my size J crochet hook, 6mm. I have some number 4 worsted weight yarn, and I'm using the color Hollyberry and some white. You'll also need a stitch marker. Okay, so to begin, make a slip knot, place it on your hook, begin by chain 4, and bring your hook to that first chain and put your hook through that first chain, yarn over, and slip stitch to form a circle. Chain 1, and we're going to work inside that circle and over this tail at the same time. You're just going to lay that across there like so, and we're going to make a single crochet going right into that hole in the middle, and we're going to make 12 single crochet stitches. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if you need more room, go ahead and just scoot your stitches over a little bit. 10, 11, and 12. To end the round, bring your little tail to the back and find your first single crochet. You're looking for that first big V stitch across the top and slip stitch right there. So here's round 1. Okay, for round 2 we're going to be working with 2 colors. We're going to bring in the red here in a minute. So to start off, we're going to start by chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up a loop and just drop it off. Bring in the red. We're going to make a slip knot in the red. Place that on your hook. And looking for the next available stitch right here, we're going to make a standing single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to drop that off and let that fall in the back. We're going back to our white, which was a chain 4. So white is chain 4 and red is chain 6. Okay. Alright, so we have our white back on our hook. The red is in the back, going across. We're going to look for the next available stitch, and we're going to single crochet there. And chain 4 again. 3 and 4. Pull up a loop, drop it off, let it fall to the back. Going back to the red, put this one back on our hook. And going in front of the white, look for the next available stitch and single crochet there. Chain 6 again. Okay, drop that off, pick up the white. Going in front of the red, look for the next available stitch, slip and single crochet there. Chain 4, and we're going to be repeating this all the way around. Your yarn is going to start twisting around each other, so just go ahead and to untwist it, just turn it around itself a few times, and then the yarn will untangle. I did it one too many times. Okay, so to keep your yarn like that, and I lost one of my white stitches, so I have 3 and 4. Back to my red. And go in the next available stitch and single crochet there. Chain 6. And continue around. So when we get back around to the beginning of this round, I will show you how to end it off. Finishing the round, I have one stitch left down here that I can work into. So picking up the white, I'm going to single crochet in that last stitch. Next, I'm going to slip stitch in this next chain 4. I'm going to slip stitch 2 times, and then I'm going to single crochet in the same space and place a stitch marker right here. Oh, chain 4 after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, chain 4 there, and then place a stitch marker into that single crochet stitch. And this is to mark the beginning of the next round, round 3. Okay, so going back to my last red, chain 6. This is how it's looking, kind of weird. Okay, we need to finish this last one, so we're going to bring it down in front of the white, and I'm going to bring this beginning red chain 6 to the front, pulling it through that last chain 4 there. So bring it to the front so I can get a hold of it and turn it to the back, and I'm going to slip stitch right there in the back. Okay, I'm going to make that a little bit tighter there, and then end off the red. My scissors. So the red we only use for one round. Okay. And then I want to bring it back along with the tail, bring that all to the back. And then just kind of situate it back how it should look. Okay. There you go. I'm going to put my hook back in that chain 4. Round 3, we begin with a single crochet in the red. Just going right in that space, single crochet in there, and we're going to make a picot, so chain 3, and going through the front loop of the chain and the side leg of the single crochet stitch, yarn over and pull through and slip stitch, and then single in the same space again. So here's how that looks. So we have a single crochet, we have a little picot, and a single crochet inside that red chain 6 loop. Chain 4, and come down to the white chain 4 loop and make a single crochet in there. And chain 4 again, find the red loop, and we're going to repeat the single and the picot, and single, chain 4, and come down to the white loop and single in there. I found that during my testing, this was missed sometimes, coming back down to that chain 4 down here, and they just kept going into these red ones, and then they don't have the correct amount of stitches at the end. So if your stitch count is off, make sure you're going into these smaller chain 4s down here. So repeat this all the way around, and I'll see you back at the beginning. Coming back to the beginning of the round, I have my stitch marker in my very first single of the round. So to end, I'm going to finish my last single into my chain 6 and chain 4, and then just go ahead and slip stitch to the beginning of that single crochet stitch and end up your yarn. So here is how it looks. So pretty, so fast. It makes a great last second little addition to your packages. You can make a garland, make a few for your tree, stuff them inside of a Christmas card. It's just a really fun and easy way to let people know that you're thinking of them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make this beautiful yarn snowflake. Please follow me at thepurpleponcho.com for more crochet, knit, and Tunisian crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for being here and crocheting with me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.